Assalamu alaikum. What's up, guys? This is Muhammad Rehan Aslam once again from Raj Expert. So today we are going to install Visual Studio with Python, and let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, you have just to go to Google and write Python download, and head over to the website python.org and click on the first link, and then download the Python 3.12.3 or whatever version you are getting, and then head over to Google again and search for VS Code download. First, we will go with the Python installation. Make sure you select the use admin privileges when installing Python and add Python exe to path. Okay. And then just simply click on install now, and this will install the Python. And then you just have to download the Visual Studio Code. And here we go. Meanwhile, the Python is being installed in the background. So after waiting for some time, our VS Code have been downloaded. We just have simply to click open, and I will accept the agreement. Click next. Make sure all of these are checked, and then go to next and click on install. And our Python have been successfully installed, and now it's time for the Visual Studio Code to be installed, and it's been installing. Let's just wait for a few moments. All right, just simply click on finish, and this will launch the Visual Studio Code. And then head over to this extension tab, you can see, or either you can use Ctrl+Shift+X to install extensions, and search here for Python. And the very first one we have to install, as this seems to be already installed on my system, I will just simply click on install Python. All right. And then I will go to the Explorer, and I will open a folder, and I will open up any folder. There we go. I will create a new file. Just simply check the trust the author, and yes, I trust the author. Create a new file, testing.py, and we will just simply print Python is installed with Visual Studio Code. Okay, there we go. And then we just simply have to run it without debugging. And this will ask for the debugger, as we have already installed the extension. Just simply click on Python debugger, and there we go. This is done. And if it's not work like this, you can just simply head over to the terminal section and click on new terminal, and you can just simply type Python and testing.py, whatever your file name is, and this will run your Python file. So you must have to be in the same directory, or either we can do it in another way. We will head over to the directory and work office, Textura, web, batch 1, and class 1. And I will just head over to my address bar, and I will write CMD here. Or either you can open CMD by holding your shift button and right click and open in terminal. This will open up the current directory in the terminal, and we will just simply type Python, and then we will test or write our Python file name, which is testing.py, and there we go. Python is installed with Visual Studio Code. So wish you a good luck ahead, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.